SCS Supply Chain. We are a Dallas-based reverse logistics company that focuses on consumer electronics, and we've been in business since 2014 and serve a global network of customers. What's new in our company for this year, we recently gained R2 certification, and we are also undergoing the process of NAID certification as well. So hopefully that will be in effect next year. I would say we put a lot of emphasis on data. With data collection, it really helps us make very educated business decisions. It helps avoid the guessing of where market trends are going. And as I'm sure many of you know, guesses in this industry are very costly. Absolutely, I'm very optimistic about the industry. That's really for two reasons. I would say the sustainability model is increasing across a number of industries. Sustainability, people are more conscious about repairing, refurbishing, and that will bring in a lot more business into that sector of our industry. Second reason would be the looming recession. With the looming recession, I would say there's not going to be as much disposable income for consumers to be spending. When instead of opting for new, they'll go for used devices, which will obviously increase the movement in the secondary market. I would like to create new relationships with certain African markets, and that's really the primary reason we've decided to come to GITEX. One thing we'll do is to continue cultivating relationships with the existing customers that we have, and also seek to further business with everyone that we've met so far at GITEX. Thumbs up.